It's tutorial time from #quiz. Hosting custom buzzers adds an extra dimension to live events. Now, if you're in a live establishment and you have people that you can see, the host custom buzzers is quite frankly one of the best things that you can add to your quiz to make it more fun, more interesting. Once the buzzer is played once, the team who are in the fastest position, you have an option to play their buzzer or not. Let me show you how you set it all up. First, what you want are buzzers that are about 6 to 9 seconds long. Anything longer, and to be honest, your quiz is going to take absolutely ages because it's going to play every time. So upload your buzzer, click the upload button, and then if you want to make sure that it's uploaded correctly, just hit the play button and it'll play the song for you. So when it comes into launch game, you'll notice there's one tab called sounds, and it says, do you want to use the buzzers? Yes please, yes I do want to use the buzzers. So which buttons are available to the players are the host custom buzzers, or you can allow players to add their own. Now, if you do allow players to use their own and add their own, you need to be really careful, because what we've found is that players tend to upload the most rudest and naughtiest songs and jingles that you could ever hear. So once you've done that, launch your game now. And what will happen is that when you launch your game and the players are logging into the game using your code, that they will have a selection of songs to choose from. They can scroll up and down and pick and push and check the buzzer before it actually plays. Here's a little example.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Everybody!
Then once we've played the question and we've got the fastest correct answer, you'll notice over on the top right hand side we'll have two options. One of them is to play the fastest buzzer and one of them is to play the applause. Now we can congratulate the fastest team by playing their buzzer, and you can play it over and over again if you like.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Everybody!
Have fun everyone with our custom buzzers. Happy quizzing!